Our next job is that we're putting a hole in the dash so that we can install a little USB port to charge up the cell phone.
Pick up a relay from Kawasaki or get one off the internet. That energizes your power wires. Attach the ground wire to a ground somewhere. Attach your power wire to the power wires, the blue and white, and you're good to go.
All right, we've installed the relay. That drives these accessory wires here, and one we've got hooked up to our little USB port. So when we turn the key on, we can turn that on, and she works. It's nice too, it's also a voltmeter so that when you start it, alternator is putting out power.
Hey, thanks for watching. Any comments or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Alrighty.